It is May 20th, 2026, and we are finally here. I'm Joe Legee. I'm the Director of Communications and Community Development for Walker County Government, and also one of the team members that was involved in helping bring Adventure Acres to life. I've often thought of this day and what it would look like, and obviously that vision has changed a lot, and today moving things around has changed that, but what hasn't changed is the fact that we've got children laughing and playing, families that are here already spending time together. There will be couples taking walks on the trail here, kids just giggling and having a great time in the water, in the splash pad. It's just going to be sheer enjoyment for the community. It's been so encouraging to see the excitement that we've had from the community during our soft opening over the last 2 weeks here at Adventure Acres. So we do refer to Adventure Acres as a signature park, and I've had that question asked to me before, like, what is a signature park? What does that actually mean? Well, if you'll look around and look at this space, you'll see the answer. This space was built to stand out. It's built to be a landmark for the community. It's got a distinctive design, multi-generational appeal, and there was attention to detail that was planned in really every aspect of this attraction. It's a unique space that reflects the character of Walker County, and it integrates nature with recreation. There's park amenities here like climbing rocks. There's a zip track that's similar to like a zip line that you would find out in the woods, a treehouse themed play structure, as well as real trees, open spaces, and there's even a waterfall feature in the splash pad. So this park will serve as a gathering place where memories will be made, and the number of experiences available here for children and adults will inspire repeat visits from residents and visitors alike. It is my pleasure now to introduce Angie Team. She is the chairwoman of the Walker County Board of Commissioners, and she helped bring this project across the finish line.
Thank you, Joe. Y'all may not know this, but Joe was the driving force behind this. For 2 years, he's been trying to get this park open, so I want to give a special round of applause to Joe. Good job. All right, I feel like I can't be heard. You guys good? Okay. Welcome and thank you for being here on this wonderful day. Well, it's a rainy day, but it's still a wonderful day as we open this brand new park. We're all very excited to be here. We're excited to have this great crowd. This day represents growth and connection and investment in the future of our families and neighbors. Parks are more than just open spaces. They are places where children laugh and play, where families gather, where friendships are built, and where memories are made. They provide a space for recreation, relaxation, and community spirit. Today, we are not just opening a park, we are opening a place that will bring people together for generations to come. This project was not only been possible because of the hard work of Joe Legee and others, but there's been so many people out of our team that it's impossible to name them all, but there was a lot of help from everybody. We had a lot of help from our contractors, our Board of Commissioners. Mike Cameron has been helpful in pushing this through, wanting this park to be open for so long. The commitment and teamwork that they all showed is just truly special, and I appreciate that from the depth of my heart, because it took everybody. This park stands as a symbol of what we can do as a team, even though we have diverse backgrounds. It reflects our commitment to improving quality of life, supporting healthy lifestyles, and creating welcoming spaces for all ages. To the children who run across this field, to the families who gather here, and the visitors who will enjoy this space for years to come, this park is a source of joy, pride, and connection throughout our community. As we officially open the park today, let us celebrate not only the achievement, but also the bright future it represents for our city and our community. Thank you all again for being here and helping make this day possible. Now, with great pride and excitement, it's my honor to officially welcome you to Adventure Acres. Go play!
So in early 2024, we had a basic concept for really what we wanted to program in this space. And 8 companies responded to our request for proposals, and Game Time and Dominica Recreation's vision most closely aligned with ours. And it's my pleasure now to introduce CJ Pursu, the Georgia Territory Manager for Dominica Recreation Projects, who also helped bring the vision of integrating nature and recreation that we see here at Adventure Acres to life. CJ?
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is CJ Bursu, and like Joe mentioned, I'm the Territory Manager for Dominica Recreation Products and Game Time. On behalf of Dominica Recreation Products, Game Time, and Play Corps, I just want to say what an honor it has been to be a part of Adventure Acres and bring this to life in Walker County. This project is truly something special, and we are incredibly thankful for the opportunity to collaborate with the county to create a destination playground and recreation space for family and children of this community. From the very beginning, the vision of this park was to create something that reflected the natural beauty and character of Walker County. The inspiration can be seen throughout the custom nature-themed playground, the splash pad, and the pavilion areas that were designed specifically for these spaces. We wanted this park to feel unique for Walker County, a place where families can gather, children can explore and play, and where the community can create memories together for years to come. I especially want to thank Joe McGee for his tireless support, patience, and partnership throughout this entire process. I also want to recognize Walker County Chamber of Commerce, all the commissioners, and the state representatives for their belief in this project and what it will mean to this community. Projects of this size always come with challenges along the way. This one certainly had its fair share, but teamwork and dedication showed throughout the process made all the difference. I want to specifically recognize our install partners, the Copinex Group, Legacy Construction, for their hard work and commitment in getting this project completed. Greg Copinex, Jim Carey, and especially Justin Boggs. Justin and his team put forth tireless effort and bring this park to life. I also want to recognize Mr. Carlos Arno for the tireless effort that he put towards the splash pad installation. Chelsea Johnson for her organization, her communication, and countless meetings and coordination efforts that kept this project moving forward. Barge design and pillar construction. Their dedication and perseverance does not go unnoticed for this park. At Game Time and Play Corps, one of our core values is building healthy communities through play and recreation. Adventure Acres is a perfect example of that mission come to life. We are proud to have been a partner of this project and thankful for the trust Walker County put in us. Thank you again for the opportunity, and we hope this park serves for the community for generations to come.
I was wondering if he's going to get on it. Good job. Good job. You know, we're lucky to have a state representative like Mike Cameron, and I'm gonna explain why. This park's primarily funded by the American Rescue Plan Act Improving Neighborhood Outcomes in Disproportionately Impacted Communities grant, which is administered by the state of Georgia. The grant supports investments in public spaces that can improve physical health and also quality of life. And when I asked Representative Cameron if he would write us a letter of support for our grant application, he did not hesitate to respond. He saw the vision in how a place like this can get residents more involved in their community. And we greatly appreciate his involvement in helping us get this to the finish line. Please join me in welcoming State Representative Mike Cameron.
Thank you. I know it's being short and having short arms. I know how it feels, so I was trying to help the little guy. Thank you for having me here today. I want to thank first Governor Kemp for his help with funding all these projects. This one, the playground at the city of Rossville put together up by the thing formerly known as the Duck Pond, and Traverse Park, which is going to open pretty soon in Lafayette. Children need a place to play. They need to be able to spark their imagination, and this is a great place for children to come, for the community to come, for people to talk to their neighbors, walk, and interact. And that was the whole vision of this thing. And this is beautiful, and it's gonna get a lot of use, and a lot of folks are going to come here. And I want to thank the city of Rossville, Walker County, all the vendors, and all the contractors that worked on this, because this is a monumental task to do this. Thank you very much.
Well, you may notice the Walker Rocks Shield is at various locations throughout this park. While Adventure Acres is built for the community, it's also, we know that it's going to attract visitors from outside the area. And when they come here, maybe they'll be encouraged to visit other locations throughout Walker County. So to tell us a little bit more about tourism in our area, there she is, our new tourism manager for Walker County, Allison Misley.
Hi, I'm Allison. It's so nice to be here and fantastic to be at this park and see it come to life. There's so much going on in Walker County. It's incredible to see something that pulls in play and outdoor experience. And so we are so excited to have this as part of our community and for other people to come and experience when they're visiting this area. Walker County is really a base camp and beyond, and it is so cool to see something like this be utilized by people in the community and outside of the community. So excited to be a part of it, and on behalf of the Chamber and Walker County the Walker County Chamber and Walker Rocks. It's a tongue twister, Walker Rocks sometimes for me. We are so happy to be a part of it and so excited to see the use that this will have and the lure it will bring to outside people visiting our area. So thank you so much, Joe and everyone, Sarah and your team for letting us be a part of it and seeing this magic in real life. So thank you.
Well, as some of our other speakers have alluded to, it did take a collective vision from the community to make this project happen, and I did want to take a moment to thank the team at Barge Design, Playcore and Game Time, Pillar Construction Group, Copinex Group, Governor Brian Kemp, and the Office of Planning and Budgeting, also the City of Rossville, the Walker County Board of Commissioners, both past and present, and our team members in the Road Department, Fire and Rescue, the Planning Office, the Landfill, and the Civic Center staff who helped create something that we could all truly be proud of. And Sarah, I know your staff has been very hands-on of late. Would you like to say something? Come on.
We're really excited to get this park open. My team, the Civic Center Adventure Acres team, have put a lot of hard work into getting this place ready today, and we have been seeing people come throughout the process, stopping in, families, kids, adults just walking through with their animals. But it's just a great place for everyone to come together. We are super excited. But I do want to recognize Richard Russell and Sarah Buckberry, because they had to go get certified to get for us to open up the splash pad. They're certified to run it and maintain it. That is huge. Without that, we couldn't have this. So they're also going to be the people here daily maintaining the facility, making sure, along with, of course, other Walker County departments to help out, but they're going to be here day to day, keeping this place pretty and nice and welcoming for everybody in the community to come use. So I just want to shout out to my team for all their hard work. So thank you.
All right, so originally I was going to invite everyone to go out there for the ribbon cutting, and we would energize the splash pad. Obviously, we changed things up a little bit. So if you want to hang around, we do have free refreshments and snow cones, and we've got T-shirts and other Adventure Acres swag, only available today. Now, everything today is free here, and the park is open for the community for free. The splash pad's 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. are hours for the splash pad, and the park is open from dawn to dusk. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for braving this weather, and thank you for your patience while we put together something really unique for Walker County. Thank you. Don't play.
Go for it.